Over the past few months, Thames Water have been working with DebateMate, a great charity that helps to empower young voices, builds confidence and develops critical thinking skills. We've been working together with schools in the local communities close to our proposed London water recycling project to engage young voices, to let them have their voices on these critical, important decision makings that are happening in their communities, but also to teach them about the challenges that we're facing with our future water supply. It's really important for us as Thames Water to be able to engage with our communities, and in particular children and young people. This has been a fantastic opportunity to be able to raise awareness about the project and also to provide a platform to enable students to have their opinions and their say on these really critical, important, long-term decisions that are being made in their communities.
Over the past 3 weeks, I think I've learned how to use rebuttal, reel, and I've learned how to use my confidence, especially when speaking to large crowds. And I give eye contact when I'm speaking, and I think it's super fun.
They have showed me how to structure my arguments in the form of reels and rebuttals.
I've learned about style, how to present myself, explain myself and articulate myself when I'm talking to people.
It helped me to question other people and get their responses, which helped me to better my own answers.
Yeah, I think it's really important for the students to know and learn about something that is really local to them, and I think it's great to see from the first workshop through to the third workshop how much they've learned about this scheme, and it's really great for the students to be able to see the project from both sides and understand the pros and the cons.
If you don't want to face the short-term challenges now, you have to limit water.
We believe that it's not necessary to overcome short-term challenges to secure our long-term water supply.
Linking back, we believe overcoming short-term challenges will secure our long-term water for future populations to live and thrive in the future, ensuring a happy, healthy future.
Overcoming short-term challenges is a vital part in securing our long-term water supply. We are focusing on combating drought, climate change and population increase. This is a cost-effective solution that is solving long-term problems.
Overall, we believe that our team has won because we are prioritising the local community, the residents surrounding the river and finally the river itself.
Now I know how there are different stakeholders and how they all play a part in a project, and it's not just the company.
This is a small group of students, so it would be lovely to see these skills across all year groups with all different types of students, because I think we've seen these students' confidence zoom up, so it would be lovely to widen that out.
It's been great to collaborate with DebateMate, not only providing students with the opportunity to develop these great skills, their public speaking, their critical thinking and also developing their confidence, but to understand more about the challenges of our future water supply and also about these issues and these proposed projects in their area.